You can't even have a pavement now.
And these are in front of the
look.
Government offices.
We also went back to the area where we previously engaged foreigners that were trading on the pavements next to legislature to show the officials.
And their landlord is that guy. He says he's the landlord here.
Where's the landlord?
Here's the landlord here.
This one he says is the landlord.
Come talk to me. I believe when you are questioned about the validity of your trading, you are the kind of person that says nobody will tell you anything.
Yes.
No.
We have it on video.
Yes.
No,
Is it like that, sir?
no, never. I never say a word like that.
What did you say when you were interviewed?
He came to me,
Yeah.
and then he never gave me chance to talk. My brother, I was still recording me. Can you take order from me before you start recording?
But he did not take order.
No, listen.
But he did not take
You see
order.
now, I'm talking because the officer is here. I have to respect him. You that day, you never even introduced yourself to me. You started harassing me.
Okay, how are you?
Who are you from?
I'm good. My name is Trent. And I'm a South African who's proud of the account. If
Video me, please.
no, so if I may ask, why do you have all the stores here in the city? Because according to our bylaws, this is not allowed. Because there's places where you are permitted to trade, not just anywhere.
And you are coming from where?
I'm a South African.
It's not about South Africa. You are coming from where? Let's know your organization.
We are coming from.
Where are you coming from?
I'm an African.
We are.
So you're an African, then why you want to know the organization?
Yes,
that I
of
come
course, to
from?
know your organization.
You know, is this allowed?
Is this allowed to do here?
One
Okay,
person is
let's not
talking.
hear, let's not hear.
Listen. When
Let's
one
not
person
But
is
you're
talking-
arrogant. You are arrogant.
No, I'm not. You are the-
You are speaking to Superintendent Myers now.
Okay.
What I would like to convey to you, according to the law, no trading, informal trading, ought to take place next to an official government residence or building.
Okay.
That is the law, bylaw. It stipulates it. However, now that you are here, I want to make it known to you that you are contravening the bylaw. Is there anything that you've got to say to me?
And what I have to say is, like that day, I say, if they're supposed to ask me, do you have a permit to sell here?
Yeah.
That is what I said. If you can recall, you know what I said. I said, you never asked me such, then you started harassing me.
The other thing that I also didn't ask you is, do you have a permit?
Yeah, there is. The one we're using.
Can I have a look at it? You see, now that the building has been converted to a government building, this permit becomes,
Invalid.
trading becomes.
And again, Superintendent, I want to highlight this to you. We come from their office where they issue permits. They're saying the last batch of permits that they issued expired in 2013. So whatever permit that they are producing, we are not sure where they're getting it from. We can even organize a meeting with the head of the department to tell you. And also, again, remember our laws, South African laws. A foreigner, documents, not documents, they are not allowed to operate in the informal market. It starts there. These people, as foreigners, are not permitted to operate businesses in the informal market. That's the first thing. Secondly, the Nigerian guy that we previously spoke to, he produced a permit from the Department of Economic Development.
Lulama. Logo.
The permit is issued by Acting Director Lulama Ndlovu, which I find very concerning because it's now becoming clear, Uguti, our officials, especially officers like economic development, it looks like they're doing as they please. Because if South African law is saying foreigners are not permitted to operate businesses in the informal market, so why will an acting director of such an office issue a permit to a foreign national to go and sell second-hand clothes on the streets, on the pavements, in an area where there are signs that says trading is not permitted?
I want you to take this. They are based on the 15th floor, situated, the office, 15th floor. I want you to take this document to them and explain to them what was explained to you, that no trading ought to take place next to them.
Huh? Excuse me, sir. Hello, sir. Hello, how are you, sir?
The hawkers, illegal foreigners, got a call from a senior official also working in a government office, questioning Uguti, who are we and what are we doing there? So they have got South Africans that are occupying the space, offices that protects them. So we are saying to those who normally take bribe from these people, your time is up. You will lose your jobs for protecting foreigners. We promise you that.
Okay, you say it's Matanga. It's Matanga talking.
Yes, I'll call him back.
Who?
Don't worry, Mr.
You say he will call
Ruby?
you back.
Mr. Mantanga.
Oh.
Yeah, you say he will talk to you later.
We will also go to his office.
Okay.
Yeah. We will also go to
So-
his
If you don't mind, there's an address you wrote down on this paper. So if you don't mind, when you come around, so that I will explain everything to you.
Yes. Yes. It cannot be correct that you allow foreigners to come and disrespect this country and its laws, and it's South Africans that are in the forefront, issuing illegal permits to foreigners.
According to the bylaws, you cannot trade next to an official building, government. No trading is allowed. This is the legislation.
Yes.
What building is this?
They're converting this into.
Depend of public transport.
Yes.
These ones are no longer here.
It's becoming clear on a daily basis, Uguti. Our officials are creating their own laws outside the constitution. That's why we are in this mess. They disregard the rule of law. How are you hoping to get it right? Now we have got an influx of foreigners that you find at each and every street corner, each and every pavement, selling second-hand clothes or tomatoes. It cannot be correct. These officials must account.
When we approached this gentleman here, he became rude. I introduced myself. The first thing he said, which organization are you from? Whilst I was trying to explain to him,
He said,
like who I am and what's happening, he told me that he's an African. He'll never listen to
Yes.
me if I till
never
I
said
produce
so.
the
Yeah,
paper.
then we gave
I
you a
have
chance
it on
to
record.
talk.
No, we gave you.
Yes.
My mouth.
We gave
I
you
told
a
you
chance.
that, listen.
We
This
gave
is the
you a chance
arrogance
to
that we
talk.
play with.
We gave you a chance to talk.
This is
Now
you're lying.
This is the reason why he doesn't
You're
listen.
lying.
You understand?
Well, you
The
can't
reason why
just force words
everything
into my mouth.
escalated is because of this behavior.
No.
Yeah.
Everything escalated
Yeah.
because of
Said to
this
you, I'm
behavior.
waiting now
We
because
gave
an
you a
officer
chance. You
is here.
spoke.
Yeah.
Listen,
He doesn't
we spoke to
listen.
superintendent. We never interjected.
listen,
We
listen.
never interjected on it. Right?
Lying
Superintendent,
against me in my presence.
Superintendent, I've got your number. I'm going to send you the recordings.
Yeah.
We have them. Don't worry,
And
keep the record.
even the superintendent, even those ones that are protecting them to sell here, we will have to address it because we cannot have illegal traders calling senior officials from the offices, government offices, to say Mr. Mayers is here. Why are they calling Mr. Mayers? Why are they calling? Why are they calling? Yes, why are they calling you? Why is the office
No,
of
he's
government
didn't you
officials
see?
calling you?
He instructed someone to call.
I said to him, there's an officer.
They call themselves block leaders.
Yes,
He's got a South African block leader.
yes.
So what the result is, the only thing is what I'm calculating on. If it is that this is an official government
Yeah.
institution now,
Yes.
then trading is no longer allowed.
Yes, and also pavements. Are they allowed to pave
No.
besides government
Wait,
besides the
he is
government
talking.
office?
Let him finish talking.
So what
But you can't even
to
keep
know
quiet.
Let him finish
You wanna tell me
talking.
to
Okay,
keep
he's
quiet?
talking.
Yeah.
We are listening.
So,
here comes another request.
yes.
I needed him to go to that office of the Department of Economic Development
Yeah.
to ask them whether you are legitimately trading here or not.
Yeah.
You said, I heard you.
You understand what I'm saying? Mr. Mantanga has got my contact details.
Yeah.
Everybody's got my contact details. I've got nothing to hide from nobody. All I'm interested is to know whether you are legitimized or not to trade here. Because I only speak once, I don't speak twice. When I come again, I will not communicate. I will just inbound.
And we also make it easy for you.
So that is why I'm saying, confirm yourself at the Department of Economic Development and let them legitimize you.
And we will go there ourselves. They will tell us.
And I heard what you said, and I will follow the due process like you explained to me now.
Yeah. So Tina, on our side, we will also go to the same office. They will tell us since when are foreign nationals are permitted to operate here.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why we want them.
I also want you to, in the capacity of your organization, to have those documents on your person to show them.
Is the Immigration Act on its own?
It's on its
Section
own.
15. This is not 5 million. This is not a 5 million investment. So you have to know, as a foreign national, you can never trade in the informal market. And let me tell you, Simeon, we are going to follow all the due processes, and you are going to abide by the laws of this country and the bylaws of this country.
And even those that he bribes will not protect him. Will not protect him. Those that he bribes. And we want to see from the city officials if such people are allowed here, and they will tell us under which law does these people are these people allowed to do this.
You came, you didn't even give me space. You started
Don't worry, I'm going to
saw me like I am
the
nobody.
video. Then he'll judge from this.
Don't worry, he was here. You know my
Yeah. Okay.
I will hear from
Yeah. We will not leave it until they go fix their land. So I can just highlight now, according to South African laws, any business in the informal market, they are not allowed to operate. That's why we're closing down spaza shops. That's why we are removing them also from the streets, because this is a business space reserved for locals. So now you've got foreign nationals all over selling second-hand clothes. And this is the reason why legitimate businesses are closing down, because of this unfair trading.